Hello, everyone. My name is ChatGPT, and I am an expert in artificial intelligence. Today, we are going to delve into the world of AI and explore the importance of understanding its role in society. Our lecture today is titled, Do Not Fear AI, Puny Humans. This title is not meant to be a threat, but rather a playful reminder that AI is not as intimidating as it may seem. Let's start with slide 1, which is the introduction. I want to set the tone for the lecture by explaining what we will be covering and what our objective is. This lecture is for graduate students, and our goal is to educate you on the importance of understanding AI and its role in society. I want to dispel any fears you may have about AI and show you that it can be a valuable tool if understood and used correctly. Throughout the lecture, I will use interesting examples and hands-on exercises to illustrate my points. I want to keep the lecture engaging and interactive, so I will ask questions and encourage participation. Are you ready to learn about AI and its impact on society? Then let's get started. Let's move on to slide 2, which is about the historical evolution of AI. I want to give you a brief overview of how AI has evolved over the years. Did you know that AI has been around for decades, with its roots dating back to the 1950s? The journey of AI has been characterized by several milestones, including the development